One of my favorite things about going down to New Orleans is the seafood. The food and the seafood, right? Yeah. Drago-style oysters, arguably one of the most famous and iconic seafood dishes in all of New Orleans. Today I want to bring it to your backyard. Let's get it going. So for today's cook, we want high heat, all right? We're roasting these oysters. We want to see those bubbles. Go ahead and fill your firebox about 3/4 of the way full. That's a lot more charcoal than I normally use, but we're looking for that high heat. We're gonna put the fire starter, light it, put it right in the bottom of that charcoal pile, and let it rise up, catching all of that fuel source, that beautiful natural charcoal on fire. Now that we've got a good flame, let's go ahead and put a grill grate at the lowest setting of the divide and conquer system. Sneak in a bit of hickory or your favorite smoking wood, and go ahead and top it off with another grill grate. So we've got these beautiful on the half shell oysters I shucked earlier. We got a little over a dozen here. Okay, and these are gorgeous, desegmented, ready to go, meaning you could just shoot them and they'll slide right off that shell. This is a very simple recipe. It happens fast and it makes it delicious. Unsalted butter and
decent amount of butter.
You know, I mean, we're gonna dump them on there. We're gonna see some flames. There's gonna be some spillover, so we wanna make sure we have enough. I've got a nice bit of smoke going on here. And so I'm just gonna put my saucepan or grill safe pan on there, and we're gonna melt that butter. So we're making a garlic butter, all right? Next thing we're gonna do is mix these cheeses, 2 types of cheeses. We've got a Parmesan Reggiano and a Pecorino today. Gently mixing those up, okay? We could even sneak in a little fresh cracked pepper if we wanted to, or you can add that
into the cheese.
Yeah, people don't season their cheese enough, right? I see people making grilled cheeses and such. A little salt, a little pepper goes a long way. I don't need salt today because of the content on both the 2 cheeses I'm using, kind of salty. All right, I'm also gonna chop up some parsley. We're gonna mix that in there. So we've got our garlic butter mixture and we've got our cheese, 2 cheese blend, pepper and parsley mixture. I mean, that's the size of it. Now all that's left to do is sneak those beautiful oysters that have been shucked and desegmented onto the heat. We want to see.
Beautiful is an understatement.
I mean, they're gorgeous, right? That's one of the things. And this takes me back to NOLA. I'm seeing it, I'm smelling it, it's a show. This is a great thing to do when you're having friends and family over to the house. Let's go ahead and start pouring that butter on top. We're gonna see some flames, we're gonna see some action. Fast? Yeah, I mean, this is like an 8-minute video, and we're picking up smoke right now from that hickory chunk. Beautiful, beautiful flames. Look at that. Nice, and this will go down here in a second. We got garlic butter. Okay, watch this.
Smells unbelievable.
Yeah, watch this. A little bit on top. Embrace the flame.
The aromas are 10 out of 10. I don't even know how to describe it.
You've heard the term less is more. This is not the case. Right? Now we're going to go in with our cheese mixture, yeah? Right on top. Wow. Let the grill do the work. All the butter is hitting that oyster, the garlic's going. Cheeses, the herbaceous parsley. Food's better with sound effects. If you're worried it's starting to look a little dry, hit it with a little more butter. Good. All right, let's get them off. Gotta bring a cutting board right by the side here.
You weren't kidding, this is super fast.
We got the nice pair of tongs. We're just gonna grab them right here. Nice and easy. Notice how they're sizzling in that shell. That's what we want. Ooh la la. People always think of smoking at low temperatures, but there's just a world of difference between putting a little hot smoke on these things and not, right? We're gonna pick it up. It's gonna have that of the grill flavor. Oh my gosh, these are awesome. These are awesome. I get super excited. It's hard to talk in complete sentences when I do these things, you know? Yeah, yeah. You can put a little more on, but and make it messy. See how my board is? Maybe I drizzle some of it around here. Oh, how fun is that?
Dang.
It's hot, it's fast, it's delicious, it's garlicky, it's buttery, it's cheesy.
It's all the things.
What else do you want from me? What else do you want from me? Like, that's a 5-minute cook, right? And just fabulous. So we're gonna go ahead and pick out one of these gorgeous oysters, and I cannot wait. And again, it's desegmented, so I don't need to use the fork if I don't want to, but like 2 dozen of those. You know what I mean? No bacon necessary. That's good. Be a good ad though. Team, simple things done perfectly win every time when we're talking live fire. Try that hot smoke out as well, really fun. And if you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed just eating that oyster there, do me a big favor. Do all the things. Like, subscribe, do leave us a comment. We love reading those. And as always, from our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.